A number of parents and children are unhappy about the state of today's modern schooling institutions. Disciplinary problems, drugs, and gangs are just a sample of the issues that today's parents and teens are concerned with. If you are thinking about an education alternative, give some consideration to homeschool. Homeschooled adolescents are mainly tutored by one or both parents. As an alternative, parents may choose to oversee their child's education every evening, after work, or even on the weekends. Parents can pay for a teacher, or make it so that one parent is able to oversee the kid's education while the other takes care of earning a wage. Another concern is the curriculum. Homeschooling parents must select a program of study that works with, not against, their children's learning capabilities and styles. Some kids are visual learners, while others need more hands-on assistance by assembling things or taking them apart. Check out the different variations that can be located online, circulate among homeschooling groups, or appear in your local library. The curriculum of your choosing will have to be okayed by the local education board, depending on your state's homeschooling laws. The school superintendent or local press may also be able to help in this area. It is important to ensure that your children are meeting educational goals, and are keeping with their age and grade capabilities. A majority of homeschooled learners perform better than their counterparts in conventional schooling. Others can fall behind and may not do well in a one-on-one setting with the parent. It may well be up to the parents to ensure the quality and standard of their kids' education. Last but not least, be sure to supplement at-home education with field trips, community group activities, and perhaps extracurricular participation in sports, music, or art classes. You can get more info about these from the local community institutions, library, or certain county high schools that provide such services. Homeschooled students are among the brightest, and best prepared for college. Take care to make sure that your child receives a quality, top-notch education if you decide to choose this option. For further information and advice, contact one of the local-based homeschooling programs, or check with the local school board. If this turns out to be difficult, you could easily put an ad in the local paper, or online. You should be able to find other homeschooling parents, and together the task of homeschooling would hopefully be easier, and the end result will be a quality education for your kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.